Everybody. Today we are going to be learning about sedimentary rocks. So in your Edmodo, you are going to go to the post that says 917 sedimentary rocks. We have the link for the reading. We have the practice questions, and we have my email that you send them to. So let's take a look at sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks are going to form from sediments. Remember, these are smaller portions of rocks. Sedimentary rocks, so the majority of them form from sediments. Some of them will form as minerals precipitate from saline water. That means the water is going to evaporate and the materials in there are going to react and they're going to form a solid. So sediments, we already said those are small fragments of rocks and minerals. So stuff like pebbles, sand, silt, and clay. Some may include fossils. And then we get into the transport of these sediments. So sediments can be transported by water, wind, ice in the form of glaciers, or gravity. So these things are going to move them from the place where they're formed to a new location. So when sediments travel, eventually they're going to be deposited somewhere. Okay? So they can be deposited in places where the water slows, so the shores of beaches, riverbanks, bottom of the ocean. And as these sediments settle out of the water, they're going to form horizontal layers, as we can see here. So with all these layers, the oldest layers are going to be the ones at the bottom, and the younger ones are going to be closer to the top. So sediments are going to be deposited in many different types of environments, but the environment where they are deposited is going to determine the type of sedimentary rock that is able to form. So make sure you do your questions and turn them into me.